South Florida's best locksmiths. Serving the Palm Beach and Broward counties, we offer 24-hour emergency service. We feature premium locks such as Medico and Malta locks. Some of our services include deadbolts installed, locks rekeyed, window locks and home safes installed, panic bars, exit devices and alarms, master key systems and restricted key systems, car lockouts, and childproofing. So whether your need is residential, automotive, or commercial, our licensed, bonded, and insured locksmiths are prepared to serve you. That's South Florida's best locksmiths for prompt, reliable service. In Palm Beach County, call 561-733-6299 or 561-499-2290. In Broward County, call 954-480-6865 or 954-565-0065. We also offer a toll-free number at 1-800-975-2290. Call us today for more information and to receive an estimate. South Florida's best locksmiths are waiting to serve you.